We have another way of showing the graphs as shortfall over here, CPV. For the area supervisor, we can see in Karachi Central we have Karachi East, Karachi Karangi. Similarly, we can see for UCCSO in the category of Karachi Malir. We can drill down further to nth level as mentioned. Alright, so here we are, another way of showing graphs. Jumping from pie chart to straight to the bar graph. Similarly, we can even show stacked columns broken down into its towns. This is the graph for the area wise. Here's the lead dashboard. We can drill down to whatever quarter we want to specify for. People leaving the program, people joining the program, the hiring trend. And we can filter as we want. Alright, that's it. Overall, the purpose for showing this presentation was for conveying our skill set with respect to dealing with dashboards. Thank you for your time. Assalamu alaikum.